Hello everyone, this is Preetam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll see the delimiter of the CSV, how to find it dynamically. Okay, so delimiter means the separator. So CSV files, basically in CSV files data are separated by commas or pipes or any or semicolon. Okay, any kind of separator. So this separators thing, how we can find it dynamically, that we'll see in this video. Okay, so basically CSV file, how to read the CSV file and all, how to load the CSV file, that I have already shown it in my PySpark and database series videos. Okay, it's third or fourth video I think. Please go and watch it. There are lots of video I have uploaded. These are all important videos to learn the PySpark. These are the basic pillars. I can say these are the basic pillars function of for learning the PySpark. Okay. So here is the video, how to load and read the CSV file. Okay, so different kinds of load modes, that also I have explained here. Okay, please go and watch it. These are the prerequisite video for this real-time scenario. Okay, coming to this. So here what the delimiter is. Okay, I have two CSV file. Okay, this is one CSV file, one CSV file path. This is one CSV file path. So here I have used the file system. Okay, for reading it. So this CSV file, the data separated, whatever the data it is separated by pipes. You can see. And this CSV file, the data are separated by comma as usual. But when we will try to read the CSV, we will try to load the CSV file. If we have not mentioned this separator here, so what it will, things will come like this. Okay, because if we have not mentioned the separator here, it will only can read the comma separated CSV. Okay, that I am showing you. 1 minute. Okay, now I need to just change the file path here. If I will mention the comma wala data here, comma wala separator file, without mentioning the separator here, it can read, you can see. But when it is coming to the pipes division, data is divided in pipe with pipe separator. So that time ये क्या होता है? That time basically, if it is a pipe separator, that time you need to mention it that it is a pipe separator. Otherwise, and the PySpark will not able to understand the thing. Okay. So now you can see the data. We are getting the data separated. So this thing, how we can, this is this what we are doing here. It is a static thing. Manually we are changing this thing. How we can get it dynamically? That thing we'll see it in this video. Okay. So coming to this, I have already written the function and code for saving the time. Okay, this is for getting the separator thing. I have written one function here. Okay, so when we have lots of batch data in lots of CSV files, so you will not have the time to read all, to see all the CSV file and load it and give the separator different separator for different CSV files. It is not the process. Okay, real time process. So in real time process, what it is, the you need to create one function which will find the separator when it is reading the file. Okay, that separator you can pass it in your read CSV wala function. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, basically I'm creating one function, the Python. This is a simple Python function. Okay, I have first imported the regex expression. Okay, re. Okay, after that, here I have used one try catch block. Okay, try except block. So first, whatever data set we have, the header list I have extracted using the uh, Spark config. Okay, so here what Spark contest, what it is doing, it is converting the whatever CSV file we have, it is converting it to a RDD. Okay, text file RDD. So from RDD, it is taking the first row. Okay, so first row is basically the header row. In header row, whatever it is, whatever it is the separator, that will be in the that same separator will be used for the whole data. Okay, whole file data. So it will take the first row first considered, and after that, and the header the that header list, uh, as it is coming as a list, you need to extract the list object here. It will we are storing it in a header string. Okay, after that, we are using the regex expression for searching the these whatever separator you have used in your file. All the separator you can mention here. Based on the search result, it will give you the return search separator as a result or true. I'm showing you. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर मैं इसको रन करेंगे, तो इसको रन किया. नाउ आई एम पासिंग द फाइल पाथ. ठीक है, तो गेट डेल फंक्शन को रन किया, गेट डेलिमीटर फंक्शन को. तो यहाँ पे फाइल पाथ को अगर मैं पास किया, तो यहाँ पे मुझे दिखा रहा है कि ये पाइप सेपरेटेड फाइल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे मैंने इसको डिबग करने के लिए बहुत सारा प्रिंट किया था. तो बेसिकली फर्स्ट दिस हेडर लिस्ट, it is coming as like a list. Okay, after that, when we are storing it using the join function as a string, we are storing it header string. It is this is the type of the string. Okay, so so if I will show it here the data, then you will get to understand. Okay, the data will be like this. Okay, after that, we have search this this separators in this string. Okay, so yeah, whenever it has matched, it is giving data. Okay, the separator data. So using this function, we are getting the separator. So now the method is simple. We need to pass the separator in our ACP. Okay, whenever we are reading the CSV file, just in separator we need to pass the separator thing, whatever separator we are using in the file. Okay, so if I'll run it here, you can get the data. So the things get dynamically. So you don't need to specify all the time the delimiter here. Okay, so if you want to pass any other file, if you want to pass this file, you just need to copy and paste the file path here. फाइल पाथ को यहाँ पे दो, और यहाँ पे ये ऑटोमेटिकली ले लेगा कि ये कॉमा सेपरेटेड वैल्यू और सेपरेटिंग. ओके, so this is the basic thing that this is the main thing we are doing here, and the main function is this is the main function, which is finding the separator, what it is used in the file. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, and rest of the other thing, it's already whoever have gone through my video, this video, they can understood. Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and colleagues so that they will get the benefit of this video. And also please share this playlist, and you guys also go through this playlist for getting the knowledge of PySpark various functions. I have discussed the real time processing also. I have real-time data processing also I have discussed in this playlist videos. Okay, please go one by one video. Yeah, I think you will get the benefit if you have complete. If you can complete this playlist fully now, then you will get the benefit. You will understand that how much capable you have in data engineering. Okay, the basic level you will be you will complete, I can say. So please go through these videos, and also you can say you can go through my real time PySpark scenario playlist also. Okay, and if you like these things, please support us. Please subscribe our channel Cognitive Coders, so that we can bring this kind of videos to you guys. Okay, for these all are free contents. You don't need to pay a single penny for this. Okay, our motto basically is to help you guys, whoever you want to learn the data engineering things. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.